Here is how you can share your screen on FaceTime using the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So if I just open up FaceTime on my phone right here and call the other phone, which I have just laying around, you're gonna see exactly how it works. So once I accept the call, you can see that it kind of like connects the devices, and on one of them, I can tap on the three dots for more information to be shown to me. And there are going to be some features which you also might be interested in. So you can like use and browse those, like you can add more people and set up the live captions. But we also have the screen sharing, which is the purple icon with a person and a like screen on it. And this is what you need to tap on to make another window appear, and then you can see you can ask to share or share my screen. So it depends whose screen you want to see. If it's your own, just click on a share my screen and it's going to be displayed on that other phone. So you can leave or swipe up as you are leaving the app, and everything that you are doing on your iPhone screen will be shared to that other person. So that is useful if you want to show something you have stored on your phone, or you want to open up some file or some photos, whatever it might be. If you want to share the stuff that you see on your phone, not your camera view of yourself, this is the option that you need to go through. So it should work. You can see it's kind of easy to set up. So let me know your thoughts and opinions, like experience with it below. I'm really curious to know how it went on your side. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the future uploads.